It's like when you have a paperback novel, you're more likely to have a blemish on the cover. What?
He snaps.
It's like when you're hypnotized and they go, and now you are not.
Wake up.
And you're like, what happened to me, man? Oh my God. What happened to me? You will bark like as a dog. You are now very hot.
Oh my goodness. What's going on?
What do you guys think when you see that hypnosis stuff? Are you one of these people that's like, not me, couldn't be, then who? I don't know.
I never really thought about it.
I feel like it might be real.
No, real, sure, but are you getting hypnotized or not? I know you can't answer this accurately, but Will, are you getting hypnotized or is it not working on you? Are you part of the percentage?
I think I could be.
Hypnotized?
I guess, I don't know. I've never been hypnotized.
You're betting.
Maybe on like a tired day or something.
You're betting that you would be?
My guard's off.
Get your guard down.
Yeah.
So you bet that you would be hypnotized. Mo is saying bullshit.
You don't know.
That's what it sounded like to me.
No.
What about you?
I would say it's a coin flip because I've seen them
Yeah.
in the past when they're and they would have a group of people and they would immediately shovel off the person who didn't get hypnotized. For whatever reason they didn't.
Yeah.
Here's what I think the problem would be is I think there's like a focus component to it from what I can tell. There's like a commitment level to it from what I can tell. They have to really go up there with the best intentions to be hypnotized.
You have to be open.
Open to the idea. Like if you go up there and you're intentionally distracting yourself.
Or keeping your guard up.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know that you're fully submitted and it might be much more difficult in that scenario.
Right.
Like he's talking about with his guard over there. Couldn't be. Then who? It's a book. It's a book. It's a kid's book. I was chasing the bunny. Wouldn't it be funny? It couldn't have been. It must have been the bird.
Oh, okay. Fun.
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 It's a cookie. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? And then it would be the bunny stole the,
Yeah.
Well, stop looking at me like that. I have a 2-year-old, all right?
Okay.
Anyway, it's the dad in the end. The dad stole the cookie.
That's you.
And the dad stole.
You took the cookie.
In the end, in the book, the dad stole the cookie, and I think
Your kid's just pointing at you.
I think it's influenced my 2-year-old now. It's a bad influence. Now she looks
know,
and she thinks the dad is the thief or or not to be trusted.
Well, she's right.
You're dead, bud.
Or not to be trusted. So I dispute this book, and I call for the burning of every. I don't actually. It's actually a fun book, and as you open it, it's one of the pop-out sections where there's fewer cookies as you go through.
Oh, they're
And
slowly
it's like
disappearing.
Can you bring up? I'm going to shout out the book right now. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Here you go. Who stole the cookie from that one, $6.10. That's the one that has the actual cookies as you sift through it. Okay?
So there's like a hole in the page?
Highly recommended, the cookie jar. Yeah, there's holes in the page, Mo. Look at this. It's a very good deal.
It's a hardcover too.
It's the dog was stealing it. Couldn't be. Then who? And then it's the bird, the frog.
Spoiler alert.
Stop looking at me like that, Will.
Spoiler alert.